Hello friends, today I will introduce the Victorinox Rally from the classic series, which are 58 millimeters long, which is 2¼ inch. It comes with this sheet here, plastic sheets, very useful and durable. And the functions are the blade, which is razor sharp out of the factory, the nail file, which is very functional with a screwdriver or nail cleaner, the tweezers, classic, the toothpick, which is very useful, and the champ tool at the Victorinox tools, in my opinion, is this tool here. This is a Phillips screwdriver, which is magnetic, a wire stripper, and a cap lifter. This tool is quite strong and fulfills its duties very good. This is my Red Riding Hood, Rotkäppchen. It is my EDC at the office. I can pass it with it easily through security points because it's not evaluated as a danger, and it fulfills all the duties in my office. Thank you very much. Bye.